wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best billiard cue cases. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Unlike many options, the Eastpoint Sport Soft is not a hard model, which helps make it more lightweight and affordable. You may sacrifice some protection as a result though, so take that into account if you're rough on your equipment. It folds up when not in use, and the pocket closes securely with Velcro. However, the padding is quite thin. At number 9, maybe you play frequently with the same crew of people, or maybe you prefer to select different cues depending on the situation. Either way, the Billiard Depot 3B6S is a nice solution, as it has the capacity to hold 3 butts and 6 shafts. It includes a pocket for chalk and a padded bottom for protection, but the handle is not very comfortable. Coming in at number 8 in our list. If you tend to have butterfingers when handling a cue, then the padded interior of the Casemaster Deluxe will keep your stick intact. The classy exterior lets other players know you're a serious shark, until they see you drop the case, that is. It's backed by a 90-day warranty with a durable leather exterior. However, your cue may rattle around a bit inside. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for billiard cue cases, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the iszy Billiards Hard Pull is a straightforward, reliable way to protect your favorite stick as you travel to and from the hall. It can also be used to carry a bass or violin bow, so your children can take it to band practice when you're not using it. It's available in several stylish designs and holds all standard-sized cues, but the zipper tends to break over time. Moving up our list to number 6. The iszy Billiards 2x2 has plastic divider tubes extending the length of the bag, ensuring that your cues are fully protected. The faux leather exterior gives it an element of style, and its carrying handle is easy to grip for long walks to and from the pool hall. It offers plenty of accessory storage space and an adjustable shoulder strap. However, its stitching is not the highest quality. Halfway up our list at number 5. The sleek contemporary design of the Casemaster Cue Vault makes it a suitable option for someone who wants to make a significant impression on potential competitors upon entering the bar. It's lightweight to help prevent fatigue. It features a very comfortable shoulder strap, a hard scratch-resistant exterior, and a removable storage pouch. At number 4, if you're a shark who typically operates solo, the cuesoul canister is a useful model, especially if you own a high-quality stick that requires dependable protection. It's built with a small, easy-to-access pocket for holding chalk and other accessories. It's made with durable PU leather in a slim design for easy storage. Your cues won't rattle inside. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. A nice pick for a couple who loves the game. The Action Vinyl can accommodate 2 butts and 2 shafts. The vibrant colors ensure that it won't blend in with all the other cases at the pub, so there'll be no mix-ups when it's time to leave. It holds shafts up to 30 inches long and features a soft felt lining and 2 substantial pockets. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for billiard cue cases, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, ideal for transporting multiple cues to league night activities, the Pro Series Premium has a handsome leather exterior and a variety of pockets for storing paperwork, chalk, and even snacks. The carrying strap is padded for comfort. It holds 4 butts and 8 shafts, and the interior is resistant to moisture. It's well balanced for easy carrying. Moving up our list to number 5. The Elite Nexus Original features little plastic feet on the bottom to help it stand against the wall when not in use, so it's not always in your way. This also ensures that it's not knocked off a chair by a clumsy competitor and makes for easy closet storage when at home. It features a poured rubber mold casing and a holder that makes it easy to select your cue, but it is difficult to remove butts. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for billiard cue cases, or simply click beneath this video.